Hello children, let me welcome you to the virtual class of the Brihan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika. My name is Shraddha teacher. Children, we are in the middle of this COVID-19 pandemic and because of that we are not able to go to school, but that doesn't mean we are going to stop learning. So we are going to do many lessons which are very interesting from your textbook through the virtual class here. So let us do a lesson in English today.
Come on children, let's start a new lesson now, and this lesson is going to be a lesson in standard 2nd English. And now I will show you some images and then you will be able to understand what lesson we are talking about, okay, or what the lesson is related to. So come on, let's take a look at this picture. See, what is the boy doing? He's got a book in his hand and he's reading, isn't it? Come on, let's look at one more picture here. So you can see here Mickey Mouse. He's sitting and relaxing, okay? At the same time, he's doing something. So what is that? He is again reading. So our lesson for today is a short and sweet lesson from your English textbook called Reading Time. It is lesson number 4.8 from your textbook. So what are we going to read? We are going to read a picture. Alright, we will look at a picture and observe the picture carefully, and then we are going to try and understand what are the different things that we see in the picture, and then we will try to read a paragraph about that particular picture. Okay, that is why the name of this lesson is called as Reading Time. So if you all have your English textbooks with you, please open your English textbooks and come to the page where you have this particular lesson so you can read along with me. So come on, this is the picture that you will see in your textbook. So let us take a very close look at this picture. So we are going to try and understand what all things are there in the picture, and then we are going to read a paragraph about this picture where we will be filling in the blanks. Okay, so the very first thing that we can see over here is it is a scene from a park and children are playing. Small children like you, they are playing, they're having fun in the park. Okay, now I want you to observe carefully and try and identify how many different things or how many what all is happening here in this park. We will try and say some words, we will try and say some sentences about what is happening here. Okay, first we will try to say them and then we will try to read them from the textbook. Okay, so let us start from the top. So I will be marking some things for you. Yes, what can you see there? You can see the blue sky. Alright, so you can see the blue sky, clear sky, and that is why the children are able to enjoy their day in the park. Okay, then we can see a tree. And on top of a tree, what else can you see? Yes, a naughty little monkey. Alright, then let us move on and see what else is there in the park. See, there are some bushes in the park. Now a tree is big and a bush is small. Okay, so there was a tree, the sky, the monkey, then you can see some small bushes, and there are some pretty pink flowers also on the bushes. Then you can see some white flowers too. So in one of the bush you can see pink color flowers, and in the other bush you are able to see a lot of white colored beautiful flowers. Let us move on and let us see what is happening. Yes, there are some butterflies also flitting on the flowers. Okay, after that we will see that there are children who are playing with the balloons. Okay, so these children are playing with a balloon. You can see that there are some other children also. There are 3 children who are playing with a balloon. Let us see what the other children are doing. So 2 of the children are swinging. Okay, jhula. So they are playing on the swing or the jhula as we call it. There are some more games here in the park for children to play. Let us see what else is there. Yes, we also have a slide. Do you all enjoy playing on the slide? We love it, isn't it? Not only children, but even elders. They love to play on the slide when we go to the water park, etc. So there is the slide, we call it as the Gasargundi. And after that, you will also see that there is a seesaw. So see, there are so many different things happening here in the garden. Along with it, you will also see that a man is walking his dog. What is the meaning of a man walking his dog? It means a man is taking his dog for a walk. Okay? So see, so many nice and interesting things are happening in this park. You will also see a mother and a daughter. They're trying to play some kind of game there with a racket and a this. All right, so these are all the things that we have been observing, and you saw so many things in the park. You saw so many people doing so many different kind of activities in the park. Okay, so I hope now you will remember all this. You will know what all this is called. Okay, let us now go and try to remember them further by looking at some more pictures. But before that, let us look at one more park over here. So here also you can see the same things, okay? Only thing, this is a park which is there in a cold place. So you will see some ice also around. But the children are all playing almost the same thing, see? They're playing with a ball, and then some of them are on the swing, some of them are on the slide. So a park is a place where you can play, where you can meet your friends, where you can pass your time well. Alright, so come on now, let us see certain things which were there in the park along with separate pictures. So as soon as you see the picture, you know what you have to say or what you have to read. Alright, so come on, let's start. So what are these? What is this? This is a green tree. And there were lots of green trees in the park, isn't it? So what is this? Green tree. So in the park, what can you see? Lot of green trees. Okay, then you have, yes, who's he? He is a naughty monkey. So in the park, we also get to see monkeys, like this particular monkey here. Okay, so what all can you see in the park? You can see green trees, and we can also see a monkey in the picture of the park. Okay, after that, let us see what else you can see in the park. Yes, what are these? These are beautiful pink flowers. So in the park, we also saw beautiful pink colored flowers. Then we saw some other color flowers also. And what was the other color? White color flowers. So along with the pink color flowers, we also saw beautiful little white colored flowers. After that, we saw some beautiful colorful butterflies. So come on, let's read the spelling of butterfly. So it is BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. Okay, so come on, let's see what all things we have seen in the park till now. So we have seen green trees in the park, then a monkey in the park, Then we saw some pink flowers and some white flowers. Okay, so I want you to read all this. All right, now you saw the words. I said the words so many times to you. I want you to read the words. And then we also saw some, yes, butterflies. Okay, after that, let us see what else was there in the park for us to see. So, there were some balloons and there was a pink color balloon. The children were playing with a pink balloon. A balloon means a fugga. Okay, you fill air into it and you play with it. You even decorate your houses with balloons when you have a birthday party. So, there was a pink balloon also that the children were playing with in the park. Then, there was a swing. What is a swing called? A swing is called a jhula. Have you ever sat on a swing and enjoyed yourself? It is a nice, beautiful feeling, isn't it? Sitting on the swing, you can feel the air, wind inside your hair. Okay, so there was a swing in the park. There are two swings here. Two children are swinging, na? So there are two swings. And then we saw that there was a slide also. See the slide? See how nicely sliding? Yippee! He's sliding down the slide. Okay? So there was a slide also. What else was there in the park, children? There was a seesaw. What was there in the park? There was a seesaw. A seesaw is a kind of game where one comes up and other goes down. Seesaw. And finally, a man was walking his dog. A man was walking his dog means a man was taking his dog out for a walk. Alright, so we saw so many different things in the park. Now we are going to try to read the paragraph that is there in the textbook, and now we know what all things we have to write in the blank, isn't it? But before that, let us once again go back and see the different things that we saw in the park. Yes, so we saw, correct? Now you will read, okay? You will read from the screen. What all did you see? Green trees, very good. And a monkey. Then, yes, pink flowers. Along with pink flowers, there were also white flowers. What else was there in the park? Butterflies. Then there was a pink balloon in the park. Okay? And then there were swings. S-W-I-N-G. Swing. Along with the swing, there was also a, yes, a slide. Okay? And then there was a seesaw. So children, so many things were there in the park. And finally, there was a man who was walking his dog. Okay, so now you know what all things were there in the park. Now can we try to read this particular paragraph from the textbook? But there are so many things which are missing. So we will have to add the missing words. Alright, but we know now what all things are there in the park. So we can very well fill this blank. So I'll give you 2 minutes, children. Try to think about all the things that we have seen now, the different things that we saw now, and try to see where they will fit in. Okay? After the 2 minutes, then I will show you the answers so that you can check. Okay? So I hope you have seen what the answers are. Hope you have tried to guess what the answers are. So come on, let me read out the answers for you now. So in the park, yesterday we all had been to a park for the school picnic. The park was very beautiful. They were green. Yes, what was green? Very good. There were green trees. There was a dash sitting on a tree. Now, who was sitting on the tree? Yes, yes, think. Who was sitting on a tree with a banana in his hand? It was a monkey. So, there was a monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white. What bloomed in the green grass? Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were dash flying around the flowers. So remember what was flying around the flowers? Very good. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash, and I played with a pink. Yes, what was the pink thing that they were playing with? Was it a ball? No, it was a balloon. So Nina, Yash, and I played with a pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swing. So you swing on the swing. Okay? Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple. Yes, what was Salma playing on? Long purple what? Long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue. There were two children. So, two children play on which game? Yes, it is called as the seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. Okay, now come on, let us read this once again. Yesterday, we all had been to a park for the school picnic. The park was very beautiful. There were green trees. There was a monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash, and I played with a pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on a swing. Salma enjoyed playing on a long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. Okay, so we have done describing or reading about the park. Now I will give you a small assignment. I will ask you to read about something else that we enjoy as children. And what is that? It is a visit to the circus. Okay, so I will show you some words which are related to the circus now, so that you can try and read this picture later. Okay, so come on, let us see the other place after the park that we people enjoy going to, and that is a circus. So like in the park, you saw green trees, you saw a monkey, you saw children playing, you saw a seesaw, swing, slide, flowers, butterflies. All these words are related to a park. Same way, we have many words which are related to a circus. So come on, let us look at those words now. So the very first word that you will say about a circus is the circus tent. Okay, so like you have the cinema theater, the drama hall. In the same way, you have a circus tent. So it is a very big tent which these people make. Okay, and when they go from one place to another, you know the circus, it goes from one place to another. So then they wrap up this tent and they take it along with them. So the circus is always, it happens inside a tent, which is called as a circus tent. Then you have, see, a circus tent from the inside. So when you look at the circus tent from inside, अंदर से जब आप देखते हो, so that the circus tent looks like this. It's a beautiful big tent, isn't it? Then in the circus, what will you see? You will see an acrobat. So who's she? She is an acrobat. So these acrobats, they perform different kind of very difficult exercises. Okay? And we get very scared when we see them doing it. So this is an acrobat. And then in the circus, we also see the circus animals. Alright, wow, look at those animals doing tricks. Elephants, isn't it? Nowadays, it is not allowed to use elephants and lions and tigers in the circus, okay? But previously, all these animals used to be there in the circus. See, they play football and they also do some acrobatics. So these are circus animals. See, lions also used to be there in the circus, okay? Not now, but. So, a circus lion. Then you will see the animals in the circus doing such tricks. Wow, look at the cat. There. है ना? Such a nice trick the cat did. It came running. It climbed on top of the pole. It sat there, and from there it jumped. There it jumps. So it has been taught to do all this. The people in the circus, they teach the animals to do all this. Okay? So these are circus animals. And then in the circus, we have acrobats. See? Doing these kind of tricks. Wow. So beautiful. Isn't it? So you will be able to see acrobats in the circus now. Okay? Even now they work for the circuses. Acrobats. What are they called? They're called acrobats. And then in the circus, we see some more acrobats. See? She's riding a single wheel cycle. And she's balancing all those plates on her head. So who's she? She's an acrobat. And then in the circus, we see clowns, jokers. Alright? So let me show you some more jokers now. So this is one joker. This is one more joker performing a trick. And here we have one more joker, and jokers are also called as clowns. Alright? So what did we see today? We talked and we looked at different words related to park or garden, and then we also saw as an extra assignment different words related to a circus. Okay? And when I say garden, you remember a park. When I say swing, you will remember a park. But when I say acrobat, you will think about a circus. When I say clown, you will think about a circus. Okay? So this was, children, lesson number 4.8, reading time. So hope you enjoyed the lesson, and also hope you learned to read many different words. So that is all for now, children. Thank you so much.
So children, wasn't that a very interesting lesson? I'm sure you learned a lot of new things in this lesson. If you have liked this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my video so that you will get to see all the videos which I keep posting regularly.